when you first load Google page, it will come out as like this. Now, to locate where you find the Google form, you will click this house, home. Once you click it, it will bring these 9 buttons, this 9 array of dots. You click the dots, it will bring a drop-down menu that has the form listed. You scroll, you find Google form. Now, this is the beginning. This is how you start your Google form. You first give it a title. That is then now you can describe your form here. Give it the description, give your form a description. Then to add questions, you click this untitled question. You type your first question. Then you want it as a short answer, so you leave it a short answer. If, for instance, you want it as another option, like in a paragraph that is longer than a short answer, or you need a multiple choice answer, or you need them to do check boxes, or you need to give them a drop down menu where they will choose their option from, these are available. But for this name, you are going to require it requires short answer. So now for the next question, you're going to select this copy button, this one that is beside the delete bin. You click it to have the second question. Now you edit it. As well as a short answer that is required. There's another thing I need to point out. If you want your customer or your respondent to answer this question without skipping it, you're going to check required. Likewise, for question 2, you're going to check required, so that it will ensure that they answer that question without skipping it. Now to question 3. What product will you like me to supply you? Now for this one, we need to change it from short answer to multiple choice. Then you check this option, you click on this option, you write fish. You have another option, you write chicken. You add another option, you write snail. You add another option, as many options as you have. You write beef. As many options as you have for your customer. Now to the next question, you will type in the question like this. As you're typing it, Google automatically saves your form. Then for this one, it could be a paragraph, meaning you need them to give you a short description to answer your question, and you click required if it's necessary for them to answer the question without skipping it. So when you are done and you want to send it, you click this button, this arrow button. It asks you to send form. If you want to send it as a link, maybe as a WhatsApp link, you click this link. When you click this link, you can copy it and paste this short URL and this link to the person, send it to the person's WhatsApp or as a text message, so that the customer can click and say and answer and be led to your form so that you can fill it. But if you want to send the form via email to the person, you will click this envelope. Then you will insert the person's email. For instance, make sure when you are sending this, you're sending to a valid email. If not, it will not get delivered. Now, if you want a form to be included in the email, you put it here. You check this box. That means you want the form to be included in the email. Then you will now send. You click send. As the person is filling the form, you will see it under responses. And if you want to end if you want to end data collection, you will check this. Then it means you're no longer accepting responses from this form. But as long as you want your customers or your respondent to keep filling this form, you will leave it on so that it will keep accepting responses. This is how to use your Google form from your phone.